The preamble to the Constitution of India is more than a preface. It's the soul of our constitution, capturing its philosophy and purpose. It begins with "We, the people of India," declaring that all authority flows from the people themselves. This marks a break from colonial rule, establishing popular sovereignty and self-determination. The preamble summarizes the nation's aspirations: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. It's a social contract, reminding every branch of government that they serve the people. Adopted on November 26, 1949, now Constitution Day, the preamble marks the birth of modern India. The Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, commemorating the Declaration of Complete Independence. These dates symbolize India's journey from colonial subjects to citizens of a sovereign republic. The preamble defines India with 5 key terms: sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. Sovereign means India is independent, making its own laws and foreign policy. Socialist, added in 1976, reflects a commitment to social and economic justice through a mixed economy. Government programs like Mjanrega and the National Food Security Act embody this ideal. Secular, also added in 1976, ensures equal respect for all religions and state neutrality in religious matters. Democratic means power rests with the people, exercised through elections and rule of law. Republic signifies that the head of state is elected, not hereditary. The president, elected for 5 years, symbolizes this principle. Together, these terms shape India's identity and guide its governance. They ensure that every citizen, regardless of background, has a stake in the nation. The preamble's core objectives are justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, JELF. Justice covers social, economic, and political fairness, aiming to remove discrimination and uplift the marginalized. Liberty guarantees freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship within constitutional limits. Equality ensures equal status and opportunity, reinforced by fundamental rights and policies promoting fair access. Fraternity fosters a sense of brotherhood, unity, and respect for individual dignity. The word integrity, added in 1976, emphasizes national unity. These values are not just ideals. They are actionable promises, reflected in laws and daily life. They bind a diverse nation together, ensuring every citizen's dignity and participation. The preamble is a constant reminder of these guiding principles. The preamble's legal status has evolved through landmark Supreme Court cases. Initially, it was not considered part of the Constitution, but the Kesavananda Bharati case in 1973 changed that. The court ruled the preamble is part of the Constitution and can be amended, but not in a way that destroys its basic structure. The 42nd Amendment in 1976 added socialist, secular, and integrity to clarify India's core values. The preamble guides judicial interpretation, helping courts resolve ambiguities in constitutional provisions. It connects directly to fundamental rights and directive principles, setting the goals the Constitution seeks to achieve. For students and citizens, understanding this link is key to grasping the Constitution's spirit. The preamble is the master key to India's constitutional scheme. The preamble is every citizen's compass, shaping rights, duties, and national identity. For UPSC aspirants, it's essential. Questions on its philosophy and terms are common in exams. The JELF mnemonic, justice, equality, liberty, fraternity, helps recall its core values. The preamble's ideals empower citizens to claim rights and fulfill duties, from voting to promoting harmony. Its relevance endures in debates on secularism, justice, and equality. Understanding the preamble enables informed participation in national conversations and policy evaluation. It's the heart of the Constitution, a living promise and a call to action. For aspirants, it's the starting point. For citizens, a reminder of our shared goals. The preamble is a beacon, guiding India toward justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for all. Thank you for watching. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting explainers on important topics. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.